News coming in from the state of West Bengal now. A big TMC versus BJP face-off on the streets of the state of West Bengal. West Bengal Minister Babul Supriyo versus BJP MP Abhijit Ganguly. Visuals are coming in from the streets of Kolkata. Now, there was continuous honking which was being done by the BJP MP Abhijit Ganguly, and this really irked West Bengal Minister Babul Supriyo. Babul Supriyo came out and made a statement that this is very dangerous driving by BJP MP. The argument ensued between both Babul Supriyo and Abhijit Ganguly. It was the Kolkata police that had to arrive on the spot and control the situation.
मैं उनको ये कहना चाह रहा था कि ये आप हूटर बजा के इतनी जोर से आप इतना रैश ड्राइविंग करके आप क्यों जा रहे हैं? ड्राइवर को मना कीजिए। तो जैसे ही मैंने कहा तो एकदम माँ बहन की गाली देने लगे, सुअर के औलाद औलाद बोल दिया। ऐसे मैं भी गुस्सा हो गया और बाकी तो सब बोल ही रहे थे। तो मैंने फिर उनको याद दिलाया, मैं बोला आप तो जज हो ना, और फिर उन सीआरपीएफ को बोला इनको अरेस्ट करो, और वो लोग सब मुझे घेर लिया जैसे कोई मैं उनको मारने वाला हूँ। पूरा टाइम मुझे थ्रेट करते गए कि तू यहीं पे खड़े रहे, देख तेरा मैं क्या करता हूँ।
Colleague Rajesh Saha is now joining me on the story. Rajesh, we are now seeing the fight has come onto the streets between the TMC and the BJP. On one side, we have a minister, Babul Supriyo. On the other side, BJP MP Abhijit Ganguly.
Exactly, Vaishwarya, we have seen how a political rivalry took a dramatic turn when State Cabinet Minister Ramsingher Babul Supriyo and former Kolkata High Court Justice and currently BJP MP Abhijit Ganguly was on their way back to Howrah from Kolkata. And Babul Supriyo was himself driving his own vehicle. He was returning back to his residence in Howrah from Kolkata last night. That time, Babul Supriyo has claimed that he was being irritated by constant honking from a vehicle just behind his car, and he has also noticed that car was being driven very dangerously. That time, Babul Supriyo halted his vehicle and brought down from his car to protest against the rash driving and constant honking. That time, Babul Supriyo noticed that when he arrived before the vehicle, he noticed that Abhijit Ganguly, a BJP MP from Tamlu, he was sitting inside the car. When he expressed his concern over the rash driving and constant honking, that time Babul Supriyo and Abhijit Ganguly were involved in the hot altercation over the iconic Second Hooghly Bridge in Kolkata. Babul Supriyo has alleged that Abhijit Ganguly used slang language targeting Babul Supriyo, and he also accused Abhijit Ganguly of hurled abusive language targeting Babul Supriyo. That time they were involved in the hot altercation and few people were also gathered in the situation. At that time, Kolkata police from Hastings police station also arrived at the spot and they brought the situation under control. Then Babul Supriyo, State Minister and the BJP MP returned back to their home. Babul Supriyo is expected to lodge a police complaint today against BJP MP Abhijit Ganguly. Aishwarya.
Thank you, Rajesh, for giving us those details. As my colleague was also pointing out, there is a high possibility that Babul Supriyo could actually go ahead and file a complaint against BJP MP Abhijit Ganguly. Now, let me tell you exactly what had happened. Now, this big political rivalry took a big dramatic turn on the streets of the city of Kolkata. The fight is now taking place between West Bengal Minister Babul Supriyo and BJP MP Abhijit Ganguly.